Hi everyone, I'm Varney, spiritual teacher, author, podcaster, and mentor. In this video, we'll be discussing how often should you quantum jump. And by the end of the video, you'll know what is quantum jumping, how often should you quantum jump, and how to know if quantum jumping is working. So before we get into it, please like and subscribe to my channel, helps the cause. And also, if you're serious about quantum jumping, please join us in the Spiritual Awakening Academy. You know, it's a brilliant academy where we learn these esoteric, ancient and modern spiritual techniques and manifestation techniques, healing techniques, so many other things. And please just click the link below. So without further ado, how often should you quantum jump? So when it comes to quantum jumping, how often is often enough? You know, for some people, once a day is plenty. Others find the need to quantum jump several times in a day in order to maintain their energy and well-being. So what's the right frequency for you? Only you can answer that question. Only you. But remember, you're actually quantum jumping every single day. You don't even know it. Yeah. So, however, here are some tips to help you determine how often you should quantum jump, you know, because quantum jumping is really an incredibly personal experience, you know, so there's no single answer that'll fit everyone. But as with most things in life, experimentation is a key to finding what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try different frequencies until you find one that feels right for you. And remember, always listen to your intuition when it comes to quantum jumping. Because quantum jumping is a spiritual tool that can be used to clear away negative energy and connect to your higher self, and also can be used to manifest at a very high level. And quantum jumping is a way of moving your consciousness to another timeline or parallel reality. It can be used for personal growth, manifesting your desires, healing, and many people quantum jump on a regular basis, but there's no set schedule. And some people find that quantum jumping every day leads to the most progress, while others enjoy quantum jumping sporadically throughout the week. They don't have a set, they just do it whenever they want to. So what is quantum jumping anyway? You know, it's the new buzzword going out there. So quantum jumping really is you setting an intention, quantum jumping for your hologram, jumping onto your timeline, jumping into your future parallel reality, into the quantum field, to bring back the hologram of you in your future reality, the best that you can be, of the tension that you want, and you bring it back onto your timeline to manifest at a powerful level. Great, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. So, and you can watch one of my other videos, What is Quantum Jumping, if you want to know more in depth on how to do it. So how often should you quantum jump? You know, as I've said, how long is a piece of string? You get to choose. You can quantum jump all day long if you want, you know, or once a day. Doesn't matter. And how do you know if quantum jumping is working? What I say to my clients and my students is, if you don't have a belief that it's going to work, it won't work. Yeah. If you have brought the hologram back and there has been dense energy in the hologram, you have noticed, that will stop it as well. If you have it's too far away in the future and you haven't brought it close to the present moment, it's away in the future. So that's why you think it's not working. So what I would suggest doing, if if to know that it's working is when you bring the hologram back onto the timeline, is you actually bring it close to the present moment, to the point is where you can step from the present timeline of one step into the hologram, so that when you merge with that hologram really does is going to be in your present in the next week or so, days, time, minutes, whatever, because it can actually be instant like so. And I know this from experience, because when I quantum jump with one of my students, and I asked to quantum jump into winning the lottery, the moment he brought my hologram back and I merged with that hologram, I received an email to tell me that I had won the lottery. Not only that, I had won the lottery 16 times in time after time, no break. Lottery, Euro Millions. Just kept winning. Went buying 2 tickets, kept winning the lottery 16 times in the space of, I think it was like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Really does work. Really does work. Many other things have manifested with quantum jump. But if you want to know more about this, how you know if it's working, your manifestations, things start to happen. It's as if I call it, it's as if you're in the matrix. You're in the matrix. You start seeing the people who are meant to come into your life. It blows your mind. You think to say, how did that happen? People that you don't even know give you things, and your manifestation cell just gets so much better. Yeah, and that's how you know if it's working. And your intention has come forward, in a beautiful way. Yeah. I'm Anne Varney. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really does help the cause. And also, if you are serious about quantum jumping, come over to annevarney.com, link down below. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.